feel like your brain is full? Like a laptop with too many tabs open?
Or like you need a vacation, but life says nope?
If yes, stay with us.
Because today, we're learning how to express stress, pressure, and overload in natural, everyday English.
And trust me, these phrases will save your life in school, work, and relationships.
Welcome back to Smart English Talk. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
Today's topic is something every human on Earth understands: stress.
And we'll teach you easy English phrases so you can talk about it confidently.
Section 1. Warm-up questions for viewers.
Before we start, a quick question for our listeners. When was the last time you felt stressed?
And what kind of stress was it? School, work, family, money, relationships? Think about your answer because we'll help you express it in English.
Section 2. Expressing feeling stressed.
Let's begin with simple, natural sentences. Basic phrases. I'm feeling stressed. I'm under a lot of pressure.
I'm overwhelmed. I'm mentally exhausted.
These are perfect for any situation: school, work, home. More casual versions. My brain is tired. I'm burned out. I'm done for today.
I love burned out. It's very common.
Expressing work or study pressure. Let's say your boss gives you 10 tasks at the same time.
Typical Monday.
Exactly. Use these. I have too much on my plate. My workload is crazy. I'm juggling too many things. I'm swamped with work. Swamped means you're drowning in tasks.
Section 4. Expressing emotional overload. Stress isn't always work. It can be feelings too. Try these. I'm emotionally drained. My mind feels heavy. I need a break. Everything feels too much right now.
These are soft, polite, and honest. Section 5. Adding reasons. You can make your sentence stronger by adding a reason. I'm overwhelmed because I have exams coming. I'm under pressure with deadlines. I'm stressed about money. Easy grammar, powerful meaning. Section 6. Full natural conversation example. Jack, let's do a real-life example. Scene: Jack is stressed at work. Jack, you seem a bit tense today. Everything okay?
I'm just overwhelmed. I have too many tasks today.
That sounds like a lot. Want to talk about it?
Yeah. I'm under pressure to finish 3 reports.
That's tough. Maybe take a small break.
I should. My brain is overheating. Section 7.
That's
Questions for viewers. Interactive segment. Okay, listeners, your turn. Which phrase describes your stress today?
1. I'm overwhelmed. 2. I'm under pressure. 3. I'm emotionally drained. 4. I'm swamped with work. Say your answer out loud. Practicing is important.
Section 8. How to respond when someone tells you they're stressed. Let's teach some supportive phrases.
Yes, because you don't say, "Oh, that's sad."
Please don't say that. Instead, say, "That sounds tough. I'm here if you want to talk." Take your time. Do you need help with anything?
These show empathy, not judgment.
Section 9. Mini practice. Scenario time. You have too many assignments. What do you say?
Possible answer. I'm swamped with schoolwork.
Okay, next. Your emotions feel heavy. What do you say?
I'm emotionally drained.
Stress is a part of life, but expressing it clearly makes it easier to handle.
And the more you express yourself, the calmer you feel.
Remember these 3 things. 1. Be honest. 2. Use simple phrases. 3. You don't have to pretend you're okay.
And you're never alone. Everyone feels stressed sometimes.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Use these phrases, share them with a friend, and practice daily.
Both.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.